A basic report of the analysis results can be generated by selecting this shortcut button in the toolbar. Doing so will display a dialog allowing the user to select which data to include in the report. By default, all elements and spectra analysed are selected for inclusion, but a subset of these can be selected. We'll just select a couple of elements and all the spectra as an example. When the elements and spectra have been selected, click on OK to generate the report. A new Microsoft Word document will be created and Libsoft will display the results for each of the elements and spectra selected for inclusion and copy them into the Word document. The background colour of the maps is temporarily changed from black to white as they are copied to the report. When the report is complete, it is saved to the Libsoft 2020 Element ID data folder in the subfolder named using the sample name. The sample name is also used to generate the name of the Word report. If a file of the same name already exists, Libsoft will display a file dialog allowing the name to be updated as required. The report produced includes a title page detailing the date and time, sample name, number of measurements, number of spectra per measurement, the analysis configuration used, the elements analysed and the elements and spectra included in this report. On subsequent pages, details of the analysis of each spectrum for each element are displayed, including any maps that have been generated. The analysis result data can also be exported to Microsoft Excel files by selecting this shortcut button in the toolbar. Again, doing so will display a dialog allowing the user to select which data to include in the report. The identification and intensity results are exported to separate Excel files, and this can take several seconds to complete depending on the number of elements and spectra selected. A confirmation dialog is displayed on completion of the creation of each of these files. The Excel files are also saved to the Libsoft 2020 Element ID folder in the subfolder named using the sample name. The ID results file includes the identification result, the name of each element included, the measurement position on the sample, and the percentage of measurement locations at which each element was identified as being present. The intensity results file includes the peak intensity at each of the primary wavelengths for each of the elements included at each of the measurement locations on the sample. In both files, the data for each spectrum included in the file is displayed on a separate worksheet.